How to fix ChatGPT is at capacity right now. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. In this short tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix ChatGPT is at capacity right now. Now, this term obviously comes only when there are too many users for the ChatGPT server to handle. So what you can do to prevent that is obviously either sign up with like a VPN, or what you can do is just write ChatGPT Chrome extension and just add the Chrome extension to your Google. And what happens is you're not going to be officially on their mainframe server, you're going to be on their extension server, and there aren't a lot of people using the extension. And yeah, that's basically how you can use ChatGPT without getting the capacity error. So if you found this video helpful, please drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and please stay linked to the channel for more content.
Make money with AI today. Download a free guide now at aimoneytips.com.